Hey everyone, Dr. Eric with Weld Family Clinic. I wanted to let you guys know about some new supplements that we're going to be carrying in the office. We're super excited. They're ones that we've been using for quite a while, just from a general health promotion standpoint and immunity and those types of things. Several of them are from a company called Pure Encapsulations. One that we've been using very religiously is N-acetylcysteine. This one helps with respiratory support, especially with the current situation going on. Thankfully, we're kind of on the back end of it, but N-acetylcysteine helps with lung support as well as just general antioxidant support as well for those types of things. Another one, acetyl L-carnitine, sounds a lot like N-acetylcysteine, just a little different molecule. Acetyl L-carnitine actually helps with brain, with mental clarity, those types of things. B-complex, very important from a neurological standpoint, from a nerve system and a stress standpoint. Stress has gone up quite a bit in the last couple of years, and B-complex, super important for supporting that. Quercetin. Quercetin is one that a lot of people have never heard of, but quercetin works, especially if you're taking zinc. We're going to be carrying a different zinc supplement as well from Ancient Nutrition, it's called. A colleague of ours, Dr. Josh Axe, has a zinc formula that we've been using. Quercetin is actually like a shuttle bus for zinc into the cells, and Zinc blocks viral replication inside the cell. So even if a virus gets into your cell, if you've got higher levels of zinc, it actually helps to minimize that viral replication. Quercetin gets that zinc into the cells better. And then finally, from Pure Encapsulations, 5-HTP, 5-hydroxytryptophan, helps with healthy serotonin levels. Again, from a stress, anxiety, depression standpoint, 5-HTP can help to balance mood and really help with those types of things. The other supplement we're going to carry from Ancient Nutrition, Dr. Josh Axe's company, is the vitamin C formula. So zinc and C will be from Ancient Nutrition. These other ones from Pure Encapsulations. It's a company that we've known about for quite a while. We've been using some of their stuff, but we're starting to offer those in the office. So if you have any questions about those, let us know. We'll have pricing information up front as well. The good news is they don't run a whole lot and they're super beneficial. So if you have questions, make sure you ask, and look forward to seeing you soon.